So it's an eclair and it has to have chocolate in it somewhere. It's perfect.
Can you do this?
I don't know. I'm making chocolate-pistachio eclair with a chocolate, cherry, and chili glaze. So my pastry dough, I start with water, sugar, flour, milk, and butter.
Bobby, you know this is supposed to be a cylinder-shaped French pastry, correct?
Yes.
35 minutes left.
So the dough is made, I put it in the pastry bag, and I start piping out the eclairs. Then they go into the oven.
Hi, what are you up to over here? You're making a pistachio pastry cream for the inside?
Yeah.
How's your eclair?
No idea.
No idea. What's the glaze?
I got inspired by the ancho chilies in the first round. So I'm gonna put some ancho chilies in my chocolate ganache.
You're making an eclair with pistachios and you're putting ancho chilies in it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Bye.
I'm just leaving.
You're gonna love it.
Bobby's choux pastry is sort of the rustic version. He's making pistachio pastry cream.
He's had pistachio in the brain since we started. It just doesn't scream eclair to me.
I have some milk, some sugar, and the pistachio paste. I'm gonna let it steep for a minute. And then in a bowl, I'm gonna take some cornstarch, sugar, and egg yolks, and then I'm gonna add the milk to temper it, put it on the silpat, and I put it in the blast chiller just to cool it down.
20 minutes and 30 seconds. What do we have happening here?
We have a chocolate, cherry, and ancho chili ganache.
Do you think it's too much?
Probably. It's semi-sweet chocolate, some cream, a little bit of corn syrup, and some cherry juice, and then some ancho chilies.
Can I check the oven? Lots of ridges.
Yeah. They look good.
You know that like eclairs are normally flat, right?
Are they?
Looks like a churro.
These are churro eclairs.
Hey, Alex. Bobby's making something over here, but it's not exactly eclairs.
Sounds not exactly winning.
Eclairs come out of the oven. I pick the worst one, brush it with the chocolate to see how the chocolate's gonna adhere to it, and it looks good. Sure looks good.
12 minutes left. What are you doing over here, Picasso? What's that?
Chocolate, anchos, and cherry juice.
Do you put corn syrup in there?
Yeah, should I put more?
Alex, you're not helping him, are you?
I'm not helping.
So now I'm slicing them in half long ways so I have to fill them. So pistachio pastry cream in a pastry bag.
Bobby sliced the top of the eclair.
What is he doing?
I don't know. He's really worrying me.
Then I slather the eclair with the chocolate sauce. I put some cherries on there, some chopped pistachio on top. Done.